Hi YouTube fam, my name is Roxy and on this channel we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you.
Hi everyone, we're going to start off with a scripture for today. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. Hebrews 13:16. So today we're going to be talking about job with cyber. It's called Data Entry Clerk. Okay. And again, this is a remote from home position. About this job, we are looking for a data entry clerk remotely to manage data, our daily operations, and information in our database. The ideal candidate will be computer savvy, friendly, and courteous with a keen sense for client service. Okay. Responsibilities. Before I do the responsibilities, this job, according to Glassdoor, pays $15 to $17 an hour. But your responsibilities: manage daily operations, create spreadsheets without mistakes, manage data entry, supervise data verification by comparing it to source documents, update existing data and electronic documents, manage customer databases, proven experience in client service in fast settings, knowledge of word processing tools and spreadsheets, basic understanding of databases, good command of English, both oral and written, and customer service skills, great attention to detail, high school degree or equivalent. So you really don't have much experience there or a degree. The benefits include 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off for PTO, vision insurance as well as included. If you are interested into this position, go ahead and click the apply to position, or you may refer someone to this position if you're not interested, okay? Now here's a special bonus for you. If you're someone that like to do online social media, things of that nature, there are jobs that pays up to $25 to $50 per hour with no experience, okay? And to check these jobs out, all you do is go to this website that I'm going to give you the link to. So please be sure to click the link that's in my description box below, okay? Now, if you're looking to find that perfect online job to match your fit, I urge you to come to this site, and I'm going to leave that link in the description box below as well for you, okay? You will complete the short quiz below to find out your perfect online job. How much do you want to earn? So it depends. If you want a side hustle, 100 to 300. Then you have part-time jobs you could choose from, 300 to 700 per week. Then you have the full-time income, 1,000 per week plus. So it's up to you what you would like to do. So just click the one that you're interested in. And again, the links will be down below in my description box, okay? As always, good luck to you all that apply.
You get to cry. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a great day.